And welcome back to Chuck's Corner, where I share real stories from CNC manufacturing. This one's about safety, a foot from disaster, how one bad shortcut could have ended a lot worse. We had a guy in the shop running a prototype on a vertical mill. Tight timeline, small run. He was trying to speed things up. Instead of pausing the cycle properly, he overrode the door interlock to check a cut while the spindle was still live. Now, most of the time you get away with that kind of stunt, but this time the set screw on the tool holder wasn't fully seated. Mid-cut, the tool let go, flew straight out of the spindle, hit the door, bounced off and missed him by less than a foot. The part was scrapped, the tool was toast, and the shop went dead silent. We were lucky because it could have been a hospital visit or even worse. We shut it down right there, went over the safety protocols again and made it crystal clear. Interlocks exist for a reason. You don't beat the machine by outsmarting it, you just put yourself and everyone else at risk. Lesson learned, speed wasn't worth your safety. A few seconds you think you're saving can cost you everything. Ever seen a shortcut go wrong in your shop? Share it in the comments. We've all got a story like this. Thanks for stopping by Chuck's Corner. Stay safe, stay sharp and own the process.